This video shows you how to create and train a Watson Natural Language Classifier model in Watson Studio. Think about all of the text that's out there, from social media, support tickets, e-commerce descriptions, insurance claims, or even key skills that you might see on a resume. With Watson Natural Language Classifier, you can create and train a model to analyze input strings and classify them into categories. The Natural Language Classifier service applies cognitive computing techniques to return the best matching classes for a sentence or phrase. You can then use that model in your applications. For example, you might use Natural Language Classifier on a support website to present the user with a list of relevant, frequently asked questions based on the question the user provides. Start in a Watson Studio project. Add to the project a Natural Language Classifier model. If the project doesn't have an associated Natural Language Classifier service, you'll be given the option to add the service from here. You can create a new service instance or select an existing instance. Okay, so now the service is associated with this project, and you're ready to build a new classifier model. Let's look at the training dataset you'll use for this model. This is a list of complaints related to various types of loans. The first entry in each line is the text of the complaint, followed by the loan classification for this type of complaint, such as a payday loan, personal line of credit, or vehicle loan. Start by providing a descriptive name for the classifier model. Then drag the CSV file into the slide-out panel. When it's done uploading the file to the project, you can see that it's creating a class for each of the loan types from the training data, and this number indicates the count of examples in each class. Let's open the vehicle loan class to take a look. Here are all the text examples in that class. From here, you can search for specific text. And for any example, you can edit the text. Or you can add a new example. You can also reclassify an example. So this example text is now included in both the vehicle loan and consumer loan classes. Now, if you filter on the vehicle loan and consumer loan, you'll see all of the examples that are included in both of those classes. And you have all of these same options when you view all of the text examples. It looks like the model is ready to be trained. Next, select the language for the text examples and then continue with training the model. When the training is complete, you can click the link to view the trained model. The Overview tab includes the summary and a list of the classes. On the Test tab, you can add text examples to analyze. And here are the results showing the matching classes and the confidence score for that match. The plus sign next to the classified text gives you the option to add that text to the model. If you'd like to test again, you can clear the results and test a new example. In this case, you're testing a text file containing 3 examples. You can refine the results by setting a threshold for the confidence score and further refine with the filters. And on the Implementations tab, you'll find the code snippets to use this model in your application. Find more videos in the Cloud Pak for Data as a Service documentation.